There's that heart-stopping moment when a phone suddenly takes a nosedive toward the floor. The ESR Air Armor Case for all iPhone Pro Max aims to soften the landing with reinforced corners and a shock-absorbing build. Its transparent back lets the phone's original color shine through, so there's no need to hide that sleek design. Installation is fairly simple. Just snap it on like a jacket. It could lend some welcome peace of mind for everyday use. Consider giving it a try and see if this blend of clarity and protection suits your routine. Thanks for watching TrendPunk Reviews, and please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps us keep providing honest reviews. We live with and use each product so you can make the best decision for you.